Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today guys, I'm tackling one of the questions that I always have, and I'm pretty sure most of you guys also have that question. What is the difference between the grades of Select, Choice and Prime that the USDA give to our meats when we buy it on the store? Of course, we know that all the grades are based on the marbling of the meat and all that intramuscular fat that we can find on the steaks. But I never had the opportunity to try one next to the other and see what is the difference. See if we are just overpaying for the Prime or maybe we are underpaying for any of the other grades. That's what we're going to test today guys, and I think this is going to be a good one for you guys to know too, because depending on this test you will know if you are paying too much for your meat or if you can maybe change a little bit the way you buy it. But before getting into that guys, remember to subscribe to the channel. We're putting 2 videos a week online with a lot of information, a lot of fun and a lot of recipes and things that I think you guys are gonna like. So subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and let's go for this, baby. The main key here guys is for us to have a fair approach into these babies. So I'm gonna season them exactly the same way we season all the steaks here, exactly the way we love it, and exactly the way we know that the seasoning is not gonna affect the flavor and it's not gonna create any illusion for any of these things. Let's season these babies with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. That's all I'm gonna put on it, guys. This is the way to try it. That's the way I know that you really feel the flavors of the meat. So let's go. Alright guys, here we have it. We put the same spices on all of them. Everything is exactly the same, guys. There's no complaining here. Now we're gonna put these babies in the grill and see what's up. I think I'm gonna cook them one at a time, just for the sake of it, making sure that they take the amount of heat that I want them to take, and make sure that everything is as fair as possible. Because this comparison is gonna mean a lot of things to me, guys, and maybe to you too. Let's get into the grill, guys. Let's cook these babies up. Miss Ninja, we have a lot of meat in here, and we have another beautiful, amazing, crazy testing here going on right now.
Okay, that's a lot of meat.
And
that is a lot of meat.
Experiment.
Okay.
All right, Miss Ninja. Today we're talking about everything. We're talking about juiciness, tenderness, flavor, everything in here, all right?
Gotcha.
And we have number A, number B, number C, and number D.
Okay, so we have A, B, C, D.
All right. First of all, what can you say by looking at them only? Just looking at them.
This, it looks super tender and juicy.
Okay.
Even the fat looks awesome.
Now you know what? In the YouTube, in the translation, put Y-U-U-U-U-S-E-E-E-E.
Oh,
The other day I was singing, I was like, what's up with this thing?
What is that?
Instead of juicy, they put Y-U-S-E-E.
Oh, Y-U-C-C-C-C-C?
Yeah, juicy. Juicy YouTube. I mean, we have a lot of many here, so let's start with this thing.
Let's get started.
Okay, let me get number A.
Number A.
All right, you want a little piece or you want a big piece?
Yes, please.
Little piece for Miss Ninja.
Because they say that keep chewing and chewing.
All right, Miss Ninja, you got your little piece in there. I got my piece in here. Let's go for it.
Let's go. It's juicy, but the fiber, it's very tight.
It's good,
It's not soft.
but it's not tender. It's not tender at all. But it tastes really good. It's juicy, but it's not tender. It's not tender.
Not
All
tender.
right? Let's go for number B and let's see. Number B.
Oh my God,
Whatever
it's
you
still
want.
dripping.
This is looking good.
This
bro.
is looking really good.
All right. Number B, guys. Let's go.
Ready?
Whoa.
Oh wow.
Whoa.
Super tender, super juicy, strong flavor. Love it.
Nice. Number B is awesome. I mean, I like it a lot. It's real tender compared to the other one that is day and night.
Yes, it is.
Real good, real juicy, real good flavor, and tender. Tender.
And the fat, it's really good too.
The fat is good too.
Really
All right.
good. Well
She
done.
said that the fat is good. Nice. All right, let's go for number C.
Yeah? Let's
Number
go for
C. Let's go for number C. Okay, let's.
Oh, now you're getting little pieces. Huh?
Yeah, because we have to move.
Okay, let's go.
All right, let's do it.
Tender too. As a matter of fact, when you bite in it, it falls apart. That's really good.
It's more tender than number B. The juiciness is about the same, but it's more flavor in it. You know why there is a lot more flavor, but there is a lot more flavor in it. But compared to number B, that's the only difference. Number B is really tender. Number B has a lot of flavor, and number B is juicy and everything. This one is juicy and it has a little bit more flavor than number B. Not a little bit, a lot of flavor, more than number B.
Gotcha.
All right?
Okay.
All right, Miss Ninja, let's go for number C.
Number C.
No,
No.
number D.
Oh, that's right.
What happened?
D.
You forgot your ABC? A, B, C,
I
D,
did.
B, B, B. All right, let's go.
I need to go back to school, I guess.
Let's go to number D.
Number D.
Number D.
Let's
All
go.
right, let's do it.
Let's do it. Oh no. Forget it. I'm good.
There's no comparison.
What?
Oh my God.
Is that why you?
No, why you?
Oh
Yes.
my God. I'm telling you guys. Once you eat Wagyu, it's like
Wow.
unbelievable.
What a huge difference, guys.
It's like day and night.
Flavor is top notch. Tenderness is crazy.
The bite is just like
I mean, yeah,
Melt.
it just melts in your
melt
mouth.
in your mouth.
And-
Unbelievable.
Of course, that's exactly what I was expecting.
But
But let me tell you what it is, okay? They rank the meat based on marbling.
okay.
Marbling is the one that makes the difference, and I didn't know. When I try a steak, I cannot say, okay, this is choice, or this is select, or this is a prime. Of course, Wagyu, you know you're eating Wagyu.
Yeah.
But the other things is tough to say. So we have a test here. Number 8 is a select. It's the lowest rank approved meat to sell on the markets and things like that.
Gotcha.
Number B is a choice, which is really good.
That choice is
really
unbelievable.
good.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
And it costs a lot less than any other steak.
Wow.
Okay, we have number C is a prime steak. It's a beautiful looking steak. And it's better than choice.
That's what I was gonna ask you. So this is a higher level than this one here? Oh, wait, really?
You will pay $2, $3, maybe not $3, $2 more per pound if you buy this one than if you buy that compared to that one.
Gotcha. Okay.
It depends, depends what kind of meat. If you're going for ribeye, this one's gonna cost you like $3 or $4 more than the choice.
Okay.
The select is the same thing but going down. The select will be like $2 less than the choice, something like that.
Got it.
And then the last one, of course, is a Wagyu.
Of course.
It's an Australian Wagyu MS5 that is
uncomparable.
It's out of this world, man.
Yeah, I mean, that one was like, we're gonna move that way.
Listen, these cows, there were a few Martians that came long time ago.
From Mars?
And they brought a few cows. And those became the Wagyu cows, and that's why they're so amazing. That's my theory. What do you think?
I don't know.
I like that theory a lot. Explain a lot of things, What do you think? This is an amazing test. We love it. We like it. It was really good. Now I can say, now I know the difference between each of them, and then you guys get the information too. I will tell you this. Choice is really good. Prime is better. But there is not a huge difference. Or from select to choice, there is a huge difference. And from Wagyu down, there is a big drop on the difference. But to tell you the truth, from the prime to the choice, there is a jump, but it's a little jump.
Yeah.
It's not too big of a jump, all right? From the select to the choice, there is a big difference. And from the Wagyu down, the difference are huge.
Of course.
But these two guys, they are kind of similar. And guys, we promise you we had a giveaway in this one. We have an amazing giveaway.
I love it.
The guys from Can gave us this knife. This is a knife set, which look beautiful.
No, look at that. They're so slick and modern.
They look amazing, man. I want it for me, and they say, no, you have to give it away.
Yeah.
I'm like, come on, man. This looks so beautiful, guys. And, all you have to do to win this baby would be to subscribe to the channel and put your comment down there. We are coming out with the winner in 2 weeks, so everybody have a chance to put your comment down there and subscribe to the channel, and you're gonna be the proud winner of this beautiful Can steaks.
Beautiful knife.
All the knives that I use, guys, all the knives that I use are Can. They're really good. Believe it or not, we got this knife set a year ago, maybe a little bit more than a year ago. I haven't sharpened these babies up. All I do is I use my thing here, my sharpening here, and that's it. I just hit it a few times every time I'm gonna use it, and that's it. This is an amazing knife. I like it a lot, and it's an amazing time for us to share these things with you. So if you want to win one of these guys, put your comment down there and subscribe to the channel, and you're gonna be in the selection. You can win this bit. Well, guys, it's good enough to talk about the meat and the knife and all that good stuff, but now we need to talk about the shout out chair.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. You gotta dance, come on.
That's not how it's done.
Oh, wow. Shake it.
Do
shake
it right.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Come on. That's not how you do it.
That's how you do it. Do you guys like the way I shake it?
I got the winner here.
Let's see.
Let's see who the winner is.
My finger.
Ernesto Herrera Brunal. No, Ernesto, you came on the right time, brother. We
Lots of steak.
Wagyu, we have some prime, we have some choice, and the select. If you don't mind, I will give that one to Mr. Georgie. He will love it. So that's all for today, guys. If you like the video, please hit us with a like.
Lots of likes.
If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you should, because there is a lot of good stuff coming up, and this one is good, man.
And don't forget to hit the bell so you will be notified every single Tuesdays and Fridays every time we upload a new video for you guys. And if you want to be part of the shout out chair, put your name down below, and you're going straight to the pot.
Remember, if you want to be the winner of this
Yes.
set of knife over here that look amazing and they are really modern and beautiful,
Very slick.
leave
Very
your
slick.
comment down there and subscribe to the channel. That's all the conditions you need to fit, and we're gonna be there with you, and the winner is gonna be selected in 2 weeks. That's all for today, guys, but remember that I love you.
We love you.